Alright, what is up all you gorgeous people? I'm here to bring you a very important Chainlink update. I see some very important, interesting things popping up in the technicals, so I wanted to run through with it. I wanted to run through it with you, because I think Chainlink's at a very critical price level. So, if you like the sound of that, I'd like to ask you if you can please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. So guys, let's delve into this. So, I believe Chainlink is moving upwards within this wedge. And now we are testing the lower limits of this wedge. Now, I think Chainlink is nearing an apex because we're either within a wedge or within, a descending triangle or a wedge within the boundaries of the channel. Bottom line is we're testing major support, and we can clearly see this red line is acting as slanted resistance, so we're near an apex on many different fronts. And so we're likely to have a breakout soon. Something very, very significant I noticed on the daily RSI I want to talk about, which is, if we look at this, let's do that. So if we see all throughout this upward price action, Chainlink has remained above the 43 on the RSI on the daily. So I'd wager if we are to continue to remain bullish within the short term, we have to remain above the 40, 43 EMA. The 40 to 43 strength on the RSI on the daily. Excuse me, guys. So yeah, I think there's a good chance we could fall back down and retest the 100 EMA on the daily. But bottom line, guys, we are at a super critical price level. If we cannot hold the 40 to 43 RSI on the daily here, that is no bueno. There's no bueno for Chainlink. Now, something we could keep our eye out for to see if Chainlink goes up is if we break above this red line here. So if we can break above 13, I'd say 1356, we're like really bullish. We may still have some downtrending in store, guys. If we break below $12, I think that's when we ought to be concerned with Chainlink's short-term price action, because I still think Chainlink is very bullish long-term. This would just be kind of a short-term setback, but no, I think that is relevant for the moment as well. Looking at our RSI here, yeah. Guys, we could be primed to jump up as well. That's definitely a possibility. Yeah. See, on the 4-hour, the MACD and RSI tell me that we could definitely pop up right now. And these candles on the 4-hour could be potentially a sign of a reversal. For those who don't know, I forget what I guess I don't know either. I forget what this candle is called. It's like a star or something. Anyways, guys, these candles signify a potential reversal point. Now, yeah, so we could definitely still break down for sure, guys. This could be like a bear flag where we go down, consolidate sideways a bit, and then go down for another leg, which would bring us right to the lower extremities of this channel wall. So guys, bottom line is I think Chainlink could potentially still go down as long as we remain above the $12. I think we're still macro bullish. If we do break below, I think that will be a short-term downtrending. I still think long-term Chainlink will do amazing. But yeah, and if we start to see a breakout above the 13 to 1360, then we're looking real bullish. That's kind of what I'm looking out for. So another thing as well, we need to keep our eye out for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum and Bitcoin will lead the market. Pullback regions I'm looking out for Ethereum. If we do get a pullback, that is not a guarantee, is kind of like the low $500 range, because that's where our 50 EMA and the, what is this, the 236 Fibonacci retracement is here on the daily. So I think the low 500s makes sense if we were to get a pullback with Ethereum. Bitcoin, Yeah, I think the mid 1600s makes a lot of sense here for a substantial pullback. But guys, there's so much support all throughout these regions, so it's, you know, probably shouldn't even be that. And it's probably not the most accurate thing to be saying at the moment. There's probably a lot more pullbacks in the short term. But in terms of like a significant macro pullback, the mid 1600s makes sense if we were to get one, guys. Again, the thing is, we're at a super indeterminate place right now with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, guys, we're pretty much range bound with both. So until we leave these relatively recent ranges, we really don't know the macro direction of the market. Now, it seems like Bitcoin's been breaking down, which is no bueno. But again, then we just find support on an email in the larger time frame. So we're really just, it's the same story, guys. We're just range bound. We're still moving sideways. You know, we have to see how this plays out, guys. Ooh, is that a? Oh no, that's my line. All right, guys. You know, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. It really does help with the channel. Appreciate all of you who do help out as well. Guys, we have partnered with Bybit. Bybit is an amazing exchange. They're doing a Bitcoin giveaway, so you know, sign up for Bybit, guys. Link for that down in the description below. Honestly, it's such an intuitive platform. I've fallen in love with using Bybit. You know, please be careful when leverage trading, because Bybit is a leverage trading platform. You can leverage trade up to 100x, but that is very risky. That is super risky. Newbies, please stay away from leverage trading. But regardless of that, Bybit is just an amazing exchange. Guys, if you want to sign up, link for that down in the description below. Guys, Token Metrics as well. Token Metrics is an amazing platform, AI-powered price predictions and portfolio suggestions. I've used I've used Token Metrics to trade profitably in the past before. It's on the pricier side, but if you guys can spare it, there's a link to sign up for Token Metrics down in the description below. As well, guys, the Ledger is one of the safest ways to store your crypto. There's plenty of free ways, but if you were thinking about getting a Ledger, consider using our link down in the description below because it helps the channel as well. Join our Twitter and our Discord where we talk crypto, news, memes, all that good stuff. Links to that down in the description below. Yeah, and GSX, guys, for those of you who are interested in the idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency, there is one here. GSX made by Apollo Fintech. This is brand new cryptocurrency. Hasn't even been released to the exchanges yet. Let me explain what this is. Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. Half of the profits from the gold mines will go back into crypto. They're currently offering a 29% sign-up bonus. They're selling it for 10 US cents. They're working on a Binance listing. This is their timeline. I'll leave a link to their website, their white paper, and a video where I delve in depth the pros and cons of this thing. So links for that in the description below. They pay yearly dividends, and they will be doing a token burn. Guys, please don't FOMO into this just because I mentioned it. Please do your own research, practice risk management, practice portfolio diversification, and understand your own risk tolerances, okay? Investing in anything new is risky, okay? To mention what I see as the biggest risk with this thing is I have no idea how well Apollo Fintech is running these gold mines. They could be running them well, they may not be. I have no clue. Guys, I found this compelling enough for myself, so I decided to invest in it, but only you can decide what's best for yourself. There's a 5% sign-up bonus for GSX down in the description below if you do decide to participate, and I get a kickback based off that, so it's kind of like a sponsorship. And yeah, let's take a look at the link here. Yeah, we're below all our EMAs on the shorter time frame, so I would not be the least bit surprised if we go back down here. Yeah, lower lows, lower highs. We're still bearish in the short term. Now, the hourly. Honestly, guys, the hourly is looking good. Not in terms... The price action isn't very good, but the fact that the RSI is making higher highs, higher lows, histogram ticking up on the hourly, that's a good sign. And the fact that we got this candle here is a good sign. Guys, we could still definitely break down for sure. Like I said, we can have a bear flag where we go down, sideways consolidation, go down for another leg down, the same length of this movement here, so... Something like that is definitely possible. You know, so just keep in mind. Guys, we could break down. We could break down for sure. So yeah, those are all my thoughts, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll talk to you next time.